Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating the project and setting units so dimensions behave predictably. Open the elevation view and create levels for each story. This defines floor heights and ceiling relationships. Once done, add grids and reference planes to lock your geometry. They keep walls and columns aligned. If you have existing CAD, link it for reference but do not rely on it. Trace important lines. Make sure the level elevations match project requirements because all floor-hosted elements reference those heights. You now lay out the structure. Draw exterior walls first with the correct wall types so thermal and structure data follows. Then add interior partitions and the wall join conditions. This controls clean intersections. Place doors and windows, setting sill and head heights relative to their host level, and use curtain walls where large glazing occurs. After walls, sketch floors and add room separation lines so rooms compute areas. Because you assign room names and numbers early, your schedules and tags populate automatically. This saves cleanup later. You finish by annotating and documenting. Apply dimension strings, tag doors/windows, and place room area labels to communicate design intent. Make view templates consistent so annotation scales and visibility match across sheets. Then create sheets and place views in a logical layout. Generate schedules for doors, rooms, and materials, and export sets per standards. If elements appear off or areas are wrong, first check that elements are hosted to the correct level and that phase or workset filters aren't hiding geometry. This resolves most placement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.